A very good morning, Zimbabwe. So, Citizens Coalition for Change Chirumhanzu held their rally, and a lot was happening. Over 5,000 people were in attendance. That is a massive, massive, massive turnout, and that for that rural area. Because remember, rural people, they live far apart from each other. It's very difficult for you to mobilize rural people, put them together. Panjimbo one, especially when the president Nelson Chamisa is not coming, because vazhinji vanenge vachida kunzwa from the horse's mouth. But to much surprise, people turned out, and people were there in their numbers, and they were ready to be addressed. Let us take a snippet of what the guest said during that function.
So, the 2023 is a year of victory. 2023 is a year of President Chamisa the Speaker. 2023 is a year of President. Yes, I assume I am not now I have it. Yes, I am sure I was not holding the Gambia. Marina Gambia and President Chamisa. Yes, I am one of the Shaman's brother. Shaman's brother and President Chamisa. This is the whole package of everything that we need in Zimbabwe.
So the clarion call is to make sure that every person understands what needs to be done. Remember, these meetings are for provincial and district coordinators and stakeholders. These are the people who are actually attending these meetings. So if you see stakeholders and point persons coming out in their numbers like this, it shows that indeed the people are ready. It shows that indeed change is coming. It shows that indeed the struggle has begun. Because what if we call Munwese, Wese? What will happen? So honestly, Team Zimbabwe, change is coming. Let us brace up for change. Let us prepare enough to make sure that the health sector is going to be dealt with, the education sector, the finance sector, each and every sector is going to be dealt with robustly by President Advocate Nelson Chamisa and his team. So he will be the team leader, but he will deploy experts in various fields, thinkers in various fields, so that we have a viable government. This government is going to be a different government because we are going to have thinkers who just think about ideas, developers of ideas, implementers of ideas. So if you have thinkers, these are just people who think outside the box. Then we have developers. These are just people who just have the ability to develop what has been thought by others. So we think others come to develop that idea. Then we have implementers. These are people with talents to just implement. So, each and every person will be involved in this process. And at the end of the day, we are going to have a brilliant outcome. We're going to have a brilliant government at the end of the day. A government which is going to benefit everyone, a government which is going to help everyone achieve his or her own dreams. So, Team Zimbabwe, you still have time to go register to vote. You still have time to actually go and convince people to register to vote. You still have time to be part of this change process. You can donate, you can adopt a polling station, you can educate, you can do whatever you can to make sure that we bring change, we deliver change this 2023. So, this is it, Team Zimbabwe. My name is Ronald Tukamakusha. Let us meet in other episodes and other podcasts.